Saturday. We're finishing up here on the Kenny's big job here. Been a really good job. I haven't covered much of it. I've been under the weather, stuff been going on, and end up getting that damn Babona. Oh man. All right, so I'm getting ready to pack up Tiny, and I never have showed y'all how Tiny goes into road mode. And it's kind of brutal. It's kind of a hillbilly way of doing it, so I don't like to ask people to do it. I like to do it myself. So I hate somebody throw their daggone back out doing this because it's kind of my flub up. But we'll break her down. The downfall is them things are heavy and there's not much place to stand on there, but the back ones are real bad. The front ones are 1/4 inch wall 5x5 tube. The back ones are son of bucking 3/8 inch wall 5x5 tubes. They are a beast. You got to really get aggravated and just go after it on them. I done blow my damn PTO line. I don't want to get ran over. What's going on the passenger side? a dull moment. All right, what happened is there's an air switch on the PTO that on the drive on the PTO there, where you flip a switch in the cab and then the air pushes through the line down to the power takeoff, and then it kicks it in. Well, the hose had come off. I had to put it back. Oh, Corona! My Corona! All right, don't let this come unhooked. I gotta pull it out and retry it. It ain't latching. I backed into it cockeyed. Let's get rolling. Let's get the crack-a-lackin', baby. There's Chris. He showed up while I was getting ready. He's a good old boy. I tell you, we got a good bunch. No whining, no complaining, just grown-up, mature men that works. I'll tell you what, it's something else now. I don't know what we done to deserve this, but boy, I sure appreciate it. Well, we just rode in the mill. Mommy's working today, and I don't see anybody down at the sawmill. Them guys are either if they did come in to do their maintenance, it's done, or else they ain't doing that today. Calls me just a minute ago, says, hey, his tire blowed out on this skidder. He said the rim come apart, and he said the tube exploded. He said it scared the crap out of me. So we got these new Primexes. They're going on that green skidder anyway, so we're going to take him back one of them fancy Primexes and see if we can throw that on there. let's go get the... Let's go get that big Primex. We'll put it on the trailer and take it back with us. There's my Botsy Watsy. She got up early this morning, took her cute pills today. We got these new tires there today. We got some projects going back here. Here's a main line. Alright, here's our new Primex log stompers. They're 66 by 43. Make sure it's a right-hander. No, that's a left-hander. We need a right-hander. Let me put this one back down. Boop. That's gonna be a right-hander, right chop. They're pretty cheap. I think these things come from China. Is that right? On the Primex? I don't know. I don't know if these are communist tires or what, but they're gonna try them out. Firestones have got so expensive that we're gonna have to figure something else out. If it's communism, then I guess it's communism. But I don't know. I got mixed emotions. I like the way they're built. You gotta admit that. But we'll see how they work. They hold up. We got some free American air in it. That's not funny, seriously. All right, let me put it on a trailer. Try to get him centered up here. Little jabs at that stuff, but in all actuality, man, I hope it's just a fad that goes away, this communism stuff. I hope we don't end up like freaking Venezuela or something, where we had her good for so long and the next thing you know we're in the toilet, and then going to socialism to boot. What is it, Venezuela and what's the other one? Puerto Rico or whatever. Which one of them's the other one that went to communism? Or not communism, socialism, and the country went to crap. Yeah, I think it's Costa Rica, Puerto Rico. I think it's Puerto Rico, wasn't it? Ain't that what the? Oh gosh, I got a mental block. Oh, I got it wrong on the tip of my tongue. Castro, Fidel Castro. Who's he in charge of? Ain't that all socialism? Country went to crap. You gotta wait in line for like 4 hours to get gas or something. How about the what you doing? How about you what you do, puppy? Okay, you going to see mommy? Oh yeah? Got a mask? Keep calm, love animals. I'm YouTubing.
How are you doing that?
Oh.
Work? You do that.
Fat cat. What's
Stuff?
that box? Thank you.
Well, what's Pooh doing here?
He's getting sawdust.
You're
make this stuff up. Blackie ran out of gas out there on the interstate. I'm sitting on the side of the road, licking my wounds, and all of a sudden I look back and I looked at Brutus back there and I was like, Brady, why don't you give me about 5-6 gallons, get me home. So, got a gas can and stole a little bit out of Brutus, putting old Blackie and primed her up, and here we are. Let's see if we can make it up to the tiki bar up there. Blackie's thirsty. My standpipe's a little too short in this Peterbilt fuel tank over here, so I got to lengthen my standpipe just a little bit. It runs out of the quarter tank. I didn't know. I never really looked before, but it does. There we go. Whoa, Blackie, whoa. Let's get this truck a drink. She's thirsty. I had my bar lube jug in there. It was about empty and the other one was only half full, so between these two bar lube jugs, we stole just a little bit of power from Brutus. Oh, I got a phone call. I told old Blackie, don't you drink too much. We got to drive home this evening. Old Blackie's gulping it down. All right, this was Saturday, October 9th. We finished up, I had finished up cutting with Brutus on the 8th, which was Friday, and then 9th on Saturday, hauled this equipment out, and then we're gonna work on the farm Sunday, and then Monday on the 11th of October, we're gonna come back. We're going to try to get these logs hauled out of there. We got over 12 loads to bang out of this thing, and try to get this boom pulled out before we get rained out Monday evening. So we'll see how we do it. Thanks everybody for watching. I hope everybody has a wonderful day, and don't forget to smile. Adios.